Right-click and then click on where it says Display Settings. Click on Display Settings. Now you are gonna go all the way down. Click where it says Advanced Display Settings. Go down again and click on where it says Display Adapter Properties. Alright, so under where it says Adapter Type right here, under words is Adapter Type under the Adapter tab. You should see your graphics card right here, so as you can see my graphics card is the Nvidia Geforce GTX 1050 Ti. So if you have something like ATI Radeon Geforce graphics card or the normal Intel UHD graphics 630 processor graphics, you should see that here too. Okay, now on the bottom, as you can see, there's a list of graphics and memories. So what does all of this mean? Graphics memory, dedicated video memory, system video memory, and shared system memory. Well, you find out the difference between these 4 types of memory in a separate video. But for now, this is how you check which graphics card you have. Now, there is another way to check this. Actually, it's even easier the second way you can check. Go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Click on it and go to where it says Display Adapters. Click on the drop-down arrow, and here you can see your graphics card.